latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Due to coronavirus outbreak, the government had put off the monsoon session. As several important bills are pending in the lower house and the upper house, the government has decided to conduct monsoon session. However, the assembly will not look the same. For safety reasons, several changes have been made in both the houses. To kill the invisible virus, ultraviolet radiation system will be installed in the house. Seating arrangements have been made such that there is proper social distancing in place. Seats have been reserved for Prime Minister, Union Ministers, leaders of the House and opposition in the chamber of the Rajya Sabha. Former Prime Ministers Dr. Manmohan Singh and H.D. Deve Gowda will also have reserved seats. To maintain distance, polycarbonate sheets will be installed to separate the officials' gallery from the chamber. Limited number of secretariat officials and journalists are allowed. Session in both the houses has been reduced to 4 hours per day. Display screens will be set up in the chambers in both the houses. With these changes in place, the government is gearing up to convene monsoon session of Parliament before the 23rd of September. The session must begin before 23rd of September as there cannot be a gap of more than 6 months between the two sessions. According to the Constitution, the Parliament should meet at least twice a year. The session was last adjourned on the 23rd of March after the budget session. To have better discussions and debates, 4 85-inch display screens and 6 40-inch screens and audio cables have been installed. The seating arrangement in the officials' gallery and press gallery have been reduced to 15. Journalists who are holding temporary or session pass and ex-MPs will not be allowed when the session is going on. In addition, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha TV will telecast live proceedings. To declare the session dates, the government needs to be sure about the logistical gear. Currently, there are 11 ordinances that need to be replaced by an act in the monsoon session and 40 bills are awaiting the discussion. The physical presence of members is therefore essential for voting procedures. This is why the government could not arrange for a virtual session and the physical presence of the MPs is required. The Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha chambers would not be able to accommodate more than a third of its members. To address this issue, different parties will be allotted seats either in the chambers or galleries of the Rajya Sabha based on the strength. The rest will be seated in the Lok Sabha chamber in 2 blocks, one for the ruling party and the second for others. The Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs, currently comprising 9 ministers including those of Defence, Home, Finance and Law, decides the date and duration of the Parliament session.